Welcome to Cooking with Pops. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. Let me show you what we got for our Easter dinner. Right here, we have that turkey sausage jambalaya. Look at that. Then moving right along over here, we got that seafood gumbo with the sausage, crab, shrimp, we got white rice, we got some good old potato salad, we got some good old ham, and over here we got them good old crawfish with sausage and garlic. Nice sized crawfish. Oh yeah. Which one you want? Pick one. Just pick one. Tell me which one you want. You want this one? You want that one? Or you want this one? Or you come over here and get that big boy right there. Or this boy right here. Y'all take this one. There you go. Take this one. Mud bugs, baby. This is the no-bake Oreo dessert I made, and the video will be coming soon. We gonna catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.